Section A case study based questions are compulsory. 36. A tiling or tessellation of a flat surface is the covering of a plane using one or more geometric shapes called tiles, with no overlaps and no gaps. Historically, tessellations were used in ancient Rome and in Islamic art. You may find tessellation patterns on floors, walls, painting, etc. Shown below is a tiled floor in the Archaeological Museum of Seville, made using squares, triangles, and hexagons. A craftsman thought of making a floor pattern after being inspired by the above design. To ensure accuracy in his work, he made the pattern on the Cartesian plane. He used regular octagons, squares, and triangles for his floor tessellation pattern. We have to find the coordinates of B. What are the coordinates of B? 1, 2. So let's write 1, 2. Let's write 1, 2. What is F over here? F is equal to, what are the coordinates of F? Minus 2 and 9. So let's write minus 2, 9. The length of BS is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x2 over here? Minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 is 9. 9 minus 2 whole square. So minus 3 square plus 7 square. So 3 square means 9. 9 plus 49. So we get root of 58 we get. That much unit, isn't it? Now W, what are the coordinates of W? W is equal to minus 6, 2. Minus 6, 2. Then O, where is O? What are the coordinates of O over here? 5, 9. 5, 9. Let's write that one also. 5, 9. Then X, what are the coordinates of X? Minus 4, 0. So let's write that also. Then P, where is P over here? P is equal to, corresponding y-axis is 11 and 3. 3 and 11. Okay. Now let's find the midpoint. Okay. Midpoint of W. Midpoint. Is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2, which is, what is x1 over here? Minus 6 plus 5 by 2, then 2 plus 9 by 2. So we get a minus 1 by 2, comma 11 by 2 we get, isn't it? These are the coordinates of A is equal to, where is A? A is equal to, coordinates of A is equal to minus 2, 2. Let's write. Coordinates of A is equal to minus 2, comma 2. Then what is F? F is equal to what? F is equal to 9 minus 2, 9. F is equal to minus 2, comma 9. AF G. minus 4 minus 4 8 minus 4 4 G is equal to minus 4 7. Sorry, not 4, minus 4 7. We have to find the distance. AF is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, then what is x2 here? X2 is equal to minus 2 minus minus 2 whole square plus 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 under root. So 2 minus 2 plus 2 the whole square under root 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 we get. This is equal to 0 0 plus 7. So which is equal to 7 unit we get. Next we have to find GH. What is length GH? Now let's find GH. What is GH? Let's find. GH is equal to root of under root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, which is equal to, what is x2 here? X2 is equal to minus 4 minus 4 whole square plus, what is y2 over here? 4 minus 7 the whole square under root. Which is equal to root of minus 4 plus 4 which is equal to 0 square plus minus 3 whole square which is equal to under root of 0 plus 3 which is equal to 3 root of 3. So we get 9. 0 plus under root 9. Root of 9 is how much? Which is equal to 3 units we get. The next step, height of triangle AFGH is equal to 1 2 unit, isn't it? So area of trapezium AFGH is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides AF plus GH into height. So half into, what is AF over here? We already find that it is 7. GH is equal to, we already find that it is, GH is equal to 3 units. 3 units and height. Oh sorry, GH is equal to 3 units and height is equal to 2 units. So we have to substitute that value over here. So what will you get then? Half into 10 into 2. So we get these two and these two will cut off. Now let's find GH. What is GH? Let's find. GH is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, which is equal to, what is x2 here? X2 is equal to minus 4 minus 4 whole square plus, what is y2 over here? 4 minus 7 the whole square under root. Which is equal to root of minus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 0 square plus minus 3 whole square, which is equal to under root of 0 plus 3, which is equal to 3, root of 3. So we get 9. 0 plus under root 9. Root of 9 is how much? Which is equal to 3 units we get. The next step, area of trapezium is equal to 10 square units. The school, question number 37, the school auditorium was to be constructed to accommodate at least 1,500 people. The chairs are to be placed in concentric circular arrangement in such a way that each succeeding circular row has 10 seats more than the previous one. Use the above information to answer the questions that follow. If the first circular has 30 seats, how many seats will be there in the 10 rows? Second bit, for 1,500 seats in the auditorium, how many rows need to be there? Or if 1,500 seats are to be arranged in the auditorium, how many seats were still left to be put after 10th row? Third bit, if there were 17 rows in the auditorium, how many seats will be there in the middle row? So this is a circular stadium. Circular row. This is a stadium, right? Stadium. Not a stadium, auditorium. So in the first circular row, 30 seats are there. How many seats there will be in the 10th row? We have to find AN. For 1,500 seats in the auditorium, how many rows need to be there? Then our question is there. If 1,500 seats are to be arranged in the auditorium, how many seats are still left to be put after 10th row? If there were 17 rows in the auditorium, how many seats will be there in the middle row? Okay, let's do the problem. Since each row is increasing by 10 seats, here A is equal to 30, D is equal to 10. So number of seats in 10th row is equal to A10 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 30 plus 10 minus 1 into d. So we get a is equal to, here a is equal to 30. What is the formula? General formula is equal to 10, a plus n minus 1 into d. A10 we are going to find. So 30 plus 9d. So we get 9, 10, 11, 12. So we get 120 we get, isn't it? Then Sn, a sum is, it is already given. So we have to find n. Then afterwards we have to find 10. We have to, after finding n, we have to find 10. So Sn we have to, it is given Sn. General formula is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum is equal to given 1500 is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2 into a. In place of a we have to substitute 30 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 10. We have to find the number of rows. Okay. So 1500 is equal to n by 2. Just cross multiply this. We get 1500 into 2 we get 3000. 60 into n 60 n plus 10 n into n square minus 10 n we get 3000 is equal to 50 is 60 n minus 10 n. So we get to 50 n plus 10 n square. From these divided throughout by 10 we get 300 is equal to 5n plus n square. Dividing throughout by 10. We get 300 is equal to 5n plus n square. Then n square plus 5n minus 300 is equal to 0 we get, isn't it? So we get middle term splitting. We have to do middle term splitting. So n square plus 20n minus 15n minus 300 is equal to 0. So from this n we have to take it outside. What is remaining? N plus 20 minus 15 n plus 20 which is equal to 0. Here n plus 20 we have to take it outside. N plus 20 in bracket n minus 15 is equal to 0. N is equal to 20 or n is equal to 15. So we avoid negative values. Okay, negative 20 and 50, rejecting negative values. So n is equal to 20. N is equal to minus 20 is negative value. So rejecting negative value. So n is equal to 50. Positive value only we are considering only. So n is equal to 50. Now let's S10 we have to find. S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2a. 2 into 30 plus n minus 1 into 10 minus 1 into d is equal to 10. So 5 in bracket 2 into 30 plus 9 into 10. So 3 into 30 means 60. 9 into 10 is equal to 90. So 90 plus 60 is equal to 150. So 150 into 5 is equal to how much? 75 we get 750. So S10 is equal to how much? S10 is equal to 750 we get. Now if the rows, if number of rows is equal to 17, so then the middle row is equal to not 17, then the middle row is equal to 9. Then A9 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N minus 1 into D. D is equal to 10. So here A is equal to 30 plus 8 into 10. Here A is equal to how much? 30. D is equal to 10. We already find that. So 30 plus 80 is equal to 110, which is equal to 110. So 110 seeds. This is the third bit. We all seen the airplane flying in the sky, about might have not thought of how they actually reach the correct destination. Air traffic control ATC is a service provided by ground-based air traffic controllers who direct aircraft on the ground and through a given section of controlled airspace, and can provide advisory services to aircraft in non-controlled airspace. Actually, all this air traffic is managed and regulated by using various concepts based on coordinate geometry and trigonometry. Look at this figure. So, as a given instance, air traffic control finds the angle of elevation of an airplane from a point on the ground is 60 degree. After flight of 30 seconds, it is observed that the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. The height of the plane remains constantly as 300 root 3 meter. Use the above information. Draw a neat labeled figure to show the above situation diagrammatically. What is the distance traveled by the plane in 30 seconds? Or keeping the height constant during the above flight, it was observed that after 15 root 3 minus 1 seconds, the angle of elevation changed to 45 degree. How much is the distance traveled in that duration also we have to find. What is the speed of the plane in kilometer per hour? We have to find, in this question we have to find the diagram. First of all, we have to draw the diagram, the position of the plane after angle of elevation after 60 degree, then 30 degree, then the distance traveled by the plane in 30 seconds, then height is same, always the height is same. After 15 root 3 minus 1 seconds, the angle of elevation change to 45 degree. Then at that time, what is the distance? What is the speed of the plane in kilometer per hour? We have to find. Okay, this is the question. Let's do the problem. See, this is the picture. So first the plane is at the point P. This is observer, and after some time the plane is at Q. But the height of the plane is same. What is it is given 3000 root 3. So at this, the plane is at this point, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. So we have to find the distance AB. First of all we have to find the distance AB. So how will you find the distance of AB? Let's find the distance of AB we can find. So distance, how will you tan 60 degree? We have to find tan 60 degree is equal to, what is tan? Tan 60 degree is equal to PB by AB. PB by, according to this, PB by AB. PB by AB. What is tan 60 degree? You already know that it is root 3. So what is the height? PB, it is mentioned that 3000 root 3 it is mentioned. So we can write, in place of that, we can write 3000 root 3 we can write, isn't it? Whole divided by, we have to find this distance, we have to find. AB we have to find. So just cross multiply these, just cross multiply. So AB into root 3. Root 3 AB we can write. Root 3 AB is equal to 3000 root 3. So AB is equal to, transpose these to this side, so it becomes division. So 3000 root 3 divided by root 3. So root 3 will cut off. Then AB is equal to how much? That much meter. AB is equal to 3000 meter. We have to find this triangle. In triangle AQC, in triangle AQC, tan 30 degree is equal to, what is tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree is equal to QZ divided by AC. QZ divided by AC, which is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to, 1 by root 3 is equal to QZ. Earlier I told you QZ and PB are equal. How much? Is equal to 3000 root 3 divided by AC. AC. Just cross multiply. So we get AC is equal to 3000 root 3 into root 3. So we get AC is equal to 3000 into 3. Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. So we get AC is equal to how much we get? 9000 meter we get. Isn't it? So the distance between, we have to find the distance between P and Q. So distance covered is equal to, AC distance covered is equal to how much? B to C is equal to, BC is equal to AC minus AB. What is AC over here? AC is equal to 9000. 9000 minus 3000, which is equal to 6000 meter. Distance covered, that is equal to 6000 meter we get, isn't it? See, this is a AB. AB is AB. This is OR, O to R. Not O, AD we can take. AD, PQ, AD. AD, BD, like that we can say. So this measurement is, this angle is 60 degree, and this, an observer A is observing. So this angle of elevation is this is till here 45, till here 60. Then in triangle PAB, tan 60 degree is equal to PB divided by AB. So PB, this measurement is same as this measurement, that is 3000 root 3. So tan 60 degree is equal to how much? Root 3. We already know that from the trigonometric table, we already know that it is root 3, which is equal to 3000 root 3 divided by AB. Just cross multiply this. Root 3 AB is equal to 3000 root 3. AB is equal to 3000 root 3 divided by root 3. So which is equal to root 3, and this root 3 will cut off. AB is equal to 3000 meter we get. Okay. Next we have to find tan 45 degree, we have to find it. Equal to 3000 root 3 divided by root 3. So this root 3 and this root 3 will cut off. So we get AB is equal to 3000 meter. Then in triangle ARD, RD divided by AD, tan 45 degree is equal to RD divided by AD. Tan 45 degree is equal to RD divided by AD. So tan 45 we already know that it is 1. 1 is equal to RD, it is given that 3000 root 3 it is given. So we have to substitute that value. Then just cross multiply this. We get AD is equal to 3000 root 3 meter we get. Distance covered is equal to this distance BD. This is the distance covered. How will you get AD minus AB? So AD is how much? We get 3 root 3 meter. So 3 root 3 meter minus AB is equal to 3000. So we have to take a 3000 in bracket root 3 minus 1 meter. PD is equal to 3000. Common you have to take bracket root 3 minus 1 meter. Speed is equal to distance divided by time taken. So distance is equal to 6000 divided by 30. So we get to 200 meter per second. So next we have to find the speed in kilometer per second. We have to convert, this is meter per second, we have to convert this into kilometer per second. So we have to write speed is equal to 200 into, we have to convert into kilometer per hour. So we have to divide it by 1000 whole divided by, what is the time? 1 by 60 into 1 by 60. So which is equal to 200 divided by 1000 into 3600. So 2 zeros will cut off, right? So 5 2s are 2 5s are. Then after simplifying we get 5 how many times? 7 5s are 35. Then 10. 2 5s are 10. So 72 kilometer per hour we get. Isn't it? 720 kilometer per hour we get. Alternatively speed. Distance by time. Which is equal to 3000 root 3 minus 1 whole divided by 15 bracket root 3 minus 1. So these and these will cut off. And how many times we get? Again we get 200 meter per second we get. So we have to find this in kilometer per hour, which is equal to 200 divided by 1000. You know, 1 meter is equal to how many meters? 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 200 meter we can convert into kilometer. So into 1000 divided by second to hour. So 1 by 60 into 1 by whole divided by, whole divided, time is equal to 1 by 60 into 1 by 60. Same thing we get, isn't it? Divided by 1000 divided by 1 by 60 into 1 by 60, which is equal to 200 divided by 1000 into 3600. So 20 will cut off. Then 2 5s are. Then again we get 7 5s are. Then 10 5s. 5 2s are 720 kilometer per hour we get. Isn't it? So we can write 720 kilometer per hour. Thanks for watching.